Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Mobile Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change password in your Mobile Legends game, then the process is quite easy. Open your Mobile Legends application and make sure that you're logged into one of your accounts. From the main homepage or the lobby of your Mobile Legends, tap on your profile icon at the top left. From your profile page, tap on the account tab at the bottom left. Now, tap on Account Center on the right hand side of the screen. Under Manage Account, tap on Change Moonton Password. Now, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your email address. To receive the code, tap Send Code. Open up your email inbox associated with your Moonton account and open up the email that you received. You'll be able to see the verification code in it. Simply tap Copy and get back to the Mobile Legends app. Now paste in the verification code in the text box and tap Confirm. Enter the new password you'd like to set for the account. Once you type in a secure password for yourself, head over to the next field and retype in the new password. Remember that while creating a password, make sure to use 6 characters or more with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, number, and no special symbols. Finally, tap Confirm and now your account's password has been reset or changed. You can close off the dialog box, and that is how you can easily change your password for Mobile Legends account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.